All right, so welcome to this tutorial. So I'm teaching you some things, and this is about AI tools. And what I'm teaching us today is about Notebook LM. All right, now go to your Microsoft, your Chrome. Just type Notebook as Notebook LM dot google.com. All right, so click enter. Now, if you have this notebook LM already on your laptop, you are good to go. But if you don't have it on your laptop, now you see this opening up, you see something like install. So you have to install this notebook LM on your laptop, then you can continue. Now, after you have installed it on your laptop, then you log in with your Google, with your Gmail or your Google accounts and so on. All right, but I want to teach you some things. So I have it on my laptop already. Let me just go to my laptop. This notebook LM. All right. Now, the next thing I want to explain here is that this app or this software is is very it's a good one. All right, it's a good software that you can use as a student, as a worker, as a company, anytime, anywhere you find yourself, you can use this kind of app. All right, you just click on create new. So now when you click on this create new, there we have a lot of things that we can do using this notebook lm.google.com. All right, number one, you can see the slide check, you can use video, can see something there, you can see create audio and video overview from YouTube, from your notes, from your documents, then from your website. That means you can convert your notes to video, to audio, to anything. Uh, see something like this. You can see quiz, infographic. All right, I want to do something now. So you can actually drop your file. Probably you have it as a document on your laptop or from your website, from Google Drive, or copied text and so on and so forth. But in my own case, I actually want to do something. Let me show you something. Alright, so I have this file called websites. So this website, I make use of ChatGPT to generate something like this. Alright, stop now. This website of a thing, you can see platform decision, no debate, WordPress, and so on. You can see home, full website, and so on. But this one, I want to convert it to be a PowerPoint, PPX, or PPT format, or I want to make it in the to be in the form of PDF. But I don't want to stress myself as a student, as a worker, as a CEO. Understand? So the next thing you are going to do is that this website, just go back to that, just try to drag it, just drop it. Now you can see it is uploading now. Once it has done uploading, alright, then you just give it from just say something like make it a presentation like like a or Figma Adobe Designer. So can you see that? Make it a presentation like a Figma Adobe Designer. Just click next. Now, what it will do is that it is going to make us a PowerPoint presentation, or you can download it as PDF, anything you want. Just see the outcome. Just wait like 50 seconds or so. Let's see that I have created a professional, let me go back, a professional outlines Okay, professional design presentation for you that mirrors the clean, structured, aesthetic of a Figma or Adobe UI UX pitch deck. Alright, now since it has done this for us, the next move is to try to download this thing that he has generated for us. Just come to this. Can you see studio? This is studio, then you come to slide deck, slide deck. Then after that, then you come to okay now. It is now generating this our PPT stuff. Generating slide deck. That's based on one source. Just wait for like a minute. So this notebook LM is very important, it's very good for you as a student, as whatever what you are doing, you are into presentation, you are into anything online. It's going to help you. You can make use of it for a quiz, for a database, I mean for a data table, for quiz, for infographic, for flashcards, anything, you can make use of it. But it is this same Google LM that I used to make this. Okay, that's this. Just something like this, just simple. Can you just see it? So he can you see it? Just 5 slides. Okay, that's seven. Yeah, 7 slides. And then is PPT, PowerPoint. So it is still generating. So I'm still waiting for it to generate. So I'm still waiting. So once it has done, then you will see what I'm talking about. This is taking longer than expected. Okay, do you know something? So because of alright, okay. So because of time, so once it has generated, then you can click on. So you see three dots here like menu, then you click on it, then you can download it as it's either PDF or okay this just click on more, then just come to this PDF. You can download as PDF or as PowerPoint or as slideshow, anything you want, just download it. So this is how you can make use of notebooklm.google.com to create the powerful PowerPoint, um, PDF, slide, anything for your project, for your design, for your business, for your presentation, for anything. So you just know how to make use of it. So this software, this app is very good for you. So follow me, subscribe to Austin Concepts. So thank you.